सेकुलर सहन रखने वाली वज़ीर आला ममता बनर्जी जो हर मज़हब के त्यौहार में मौजूद रहती हैं, आज क्रिसमस के मौके पर पार्क स्ट्रीट एलन पार्क में क्रिसमस कार्निवल का इफ्तिताह किया। इफ्तिताही तकरीब में उन्होंने कहा कि हम सबको एक होकर रहना होगा, एक होकर लड़ना होगा। वेरिएंट ओमिक्रॉन कोरोना वायरस से होशियार रहने की ज़रूरत है। कोरोना पर जारी गाइडलाइन पर अमल करना भी होगा। गीतकार इंद्रनील के साथ मुंदाजी ने क्रिसमस का गीत भी गाया।
सना मेडिकल हॉल, %10 discount on every medicine. Oxygen cylinder also available.
Symbolizing hope, symbolizing love, the love that God has for humanity. And this spirit is blessed by Bishop Kenani. The manger in which baby Jesus is laid.
Because we are first of all human persons, brothers and sisters.
Every time you let God love others through you. Yes, it is Christmas every time you smile at your brother and sister and offer your hand. And we have a very special person, that is our beloved and honorable Chief Minister, whose hand is always stretched out to help and aid each one of us. May I now request her to address this joyful gathering.
To celebrate this Christmas festival from these parts. And this time also I told Indonil and Nandini Sen to expand the area. Every police commissionerate, you have to decorate for the Christmas festival. And there are so many areas wherever we have the church. One, I am quoting Bed, that let us speak with unity, think with unity. All, every religious they said for unity. So what for division? We don't want any division or any aspersion. We want only, let us, I pray to God, give us more strength so that many candles to be blown for all of my brothers and sisters, and Let us pray to God. May God bless all of you. We are all blessed because we are here. And enjoy your Christmas festival. Also, Happy New Year. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. Good evening and good Christmas festival. We started from here. We are proud of it. I think Kolkata is the first place. We start from here. Enjoy yourself and also pray to God. Thank you so much.